Hello, good morning. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Let's start with the English class. Today we are going to continue with the lesson number 1, alphabet song from unit 6. Okay, I'm sure all of you have practiced singing the alphabet song. Have you all? Yes, very good. Okay, now we are going to do an exercise from our English textbook, English Bal Bharti textbook. Okay, so quickly I will go through the exercise and then I will explain you actually how to do it and then you can try and solving it by yourself. ठीक है, मैं आपको explain कर देती हूँ कैसे करना है, फिर आप खुद से solve कर सकते हो. Okay, and you can check your answers later on. Okay, chalo, let's see. So this is from English Bal Bharti textbook, page number 52. Now here the question is, okay, wait, I found that there is a nice pointer, laser pointer option. I'll use this. Okay. So they say the letters from A to Z and fill in the missing words, missing letters. Okay. So what we have to do is, there is A written over here and there are boxes and then E written over here. So we have to fill in whatever is missing. यहाँ पे जो भी नहीं है, missing letters है, वो हमको लिखना है. So all this we have already done in senior KG itself and now we are in first standard. So we are going to do it very quickly. Is it not? Yes. Okay. Chalo. Tell me what comes after A? Yes. B, then C, then D and E is already there. Now look at the next one. O. What comes after O? P, Q and R. R is already there. Now look at the next letter. F. What comes after F? G, H, I and J is already there. Very good. Now look here. Listen and tell the next letter. Okay. Which letter is this? Read it out. Very good. It is M. So what comes after M? Which is the next letter? Next मतलब बाद में, उसके बाद में. Okay, after means also बाद में. Okay, what comes after M or what is the next letter after M? Yes, you're right, N. Same way, after J, what comes here? What will I write? What should I write over here? Very good, H. And read this out. Good, N. What comes after N? Oh, very nice. And which letter is this? V. Very good. So what should I write over here? W. Very good, children. All of you are very smart. But all of you are sitting straight, no? Yes? Very good. I want you all to sit straight and listen very carefully so that you need not see all this. आपको लिखते समय ये सब की जरूरत ना पड़े. Okay? Just understand right now. Okay. Now listen and tell the letter before. Before means what? Pehle. After means baad mein. All this we have already done in senior KG. Right? This is just a revision. Okay. So now tell me which is this letter? Yes, it is B. So what comes before B? Yes, you're right. A. So I'm going to write A over here in this box. Next, read this letter. M. Very good. So what should I write over here? L. Very nice, children. Read this. S. Very good. So what will I write over here? R. Very good. Now read the last letter. Z. So what will I write over here? What should I write? Yes, you're right. Y. Now this is the next question is an activity. Okay, now up to question number 4 you have done in your English textbook. यहाँ तक आपने आपके English textbook में ही किया है. Now this activity, for this activity of question number 5, you have to do it in your English notebook. कहाँ करना है आपको? आपके English notebook में करना है. Okay. So now understand what is the activity. Choose any letter from A to Z. A to Z में से कोई भी लेटर, एक लेटर आपको चॉइस करना है. Okay, and write within 2 minutes at least 5 words which have that letter. Okay, जैसे suppose I have chosen letter C. Okay, within 5 minutes, sorry, within 2 minutes I have to write how many words? 5 words which has that letter. मतलब अगर मैंने C चूज किया हुआ है तो मुझे 2 मिनट में 5 वर्ड्स लिखना है और उन 5 वर्ड्स में वो लेटर C यूज होना चाहिए. ओके, आई हैव टू यूज द लेटर C. Okay, understood. For example, cat, can, caught. Then not necessary that it should start with a letter C. जरूरी नहीं है कि C से start हो, वो बीच में भी कहीं आ सकता है. Okay, cold, again it is starting with C. I will try to use something where the C comes in between, so that you understand. I know so many words starting with letter C. Crane is there, then um, tack, T-A-C-K, track is also there, T-R-A-C-K. Okay, so all these words have the letter C. Whether it is in between, बीच में भी आएगा तो भी चलेगा. Not necessary that it should start with the letter C. And not necessary you should use the letter C. In fact, you use something else. C से मत लिखिए, कोई और अपने आपको जो लेटर पसंद है कोई और लेटर आप यूज करके 5 वर्ड्स बनाइए. सो व्हाई इज दिस एक्टिविटी गिवन? बिकॉज इट विल शार्पन योर ब्रेन. आप अपनी बॉडी के लिए एक्सरसाइज करते हैं ना, आपकी बॉडी को हेल्दी रखने के लिए क्या करते हैं आप? खेलने जाते हैं, फिर कभी कभी एक्सरसाइज भी कर लेते हैं, है ना. सो दैट वे योर ब्रेन ऑल्सो नीड्स एक्सरसाइज. ठीक है, आपका ब्रेन को आप अगर एक्सरसाइज देंगे, ऐसे पजल्स गेम्स खेलेंगे तो क्या होगा? ब्रेन को भी एक्सरसाइज मिलेगी एंड योर ब्रेन विल ऑल्सो बिकम वेरी स्ट्रांग एंड इट विल स्टार्ट फंक्शनिंग वेरी फास्ट, है ना. सब चीजें आपको जल्दी जल्दी आने लगेगी. ओके, सो दिस इज द फन. विदिन 2 मिनट्स यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. ना खाली थिंक नहीं करना है, आपको लिखना भी है. विदिन 2 मिनट्स यू हैव टू राइट डाउन 5 वर्ड्स. आप टाइम लगा के बैठो. 2 मिनट्स बहुत बड़ा होता है, पता है आपको. आप जब भी टाइम लगाओगे ना तो आपको पता चलेगा. ओके, चलो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी फन एक्टिविटी, बहुत मजा आएगा. मेक अप मीनिंगफुल फ्रेजेस और सेंटेंसेस. ठीक है, जो भी आप बनाओगे आपको क्या बनाना है? सेंटेंसेस बनाना है. और वो कैसे होने चाहिए? मीनिंगफुल, उसका कोई मीनिंग निकलना चाहिए. बाय यूजिंग वर्ड्स विच बिगिन विद द सेम साउंड. अभी ये गेम खेलने के लिए रूल क्या है? आपको एक वर्ड दिया हुआ है. ओके, जैसे कि बिग. तो आपको सेंटेंस बनाना है, पर कैसे सेंटेंस बनाना है? आपको वर्ड्स वो यूज करने हैं जिसमें कौन सा साउंड होना चाहिए? स्टार्टिंग का साउंड ना ब होना चाहिए. बिग में कौन सा है स्टार्टिंग साउंड? ब. द स्टार्टिंग साउंड ऑफ द वर्ड बिग हैज is b. So you have to use words which begin with the sound b. Okay, understood? Your example is also given, a big blue ball for baby. Now see, there are so many words. कितने सारे words use किए हैं जिसमें they are giving the sound of b. You can hear the sound of b. Big blue ball baby. So yeah, they have made a sentence, a big blue ball for baby. Okay, so the sound of b is repeated everywhere. समझ में आया? Okay, now look at the next word. The word is green. Say it with me. Green. Okay, what is the sound of the first letter, or what is the first sound which you hear? Beginning sound g. Green. G. Okay, so now you have to use the words which have the sound of g in the beginning. शुरुआत में ही sound होना चाहिए g का. Okay, and then you have to make the sentence. Okay, चलो. Now let me tell you a sentence. Green grass in the garden. Okay, this I have done for you. If you can think of something else, अगर आप कुछ और सोच सकते हैं तो you can write that one also. Okay, green grass in the garden. Did you observe we are using the sound g, g, g in green, g in grass and g in garden. Okay, now same way cold. What is written over here? Cold. Okay, what is the sound at the beginning of the word k? So you are going to make a sentence using words which begin with the sound yes, k. Okay, so now I have made a sentence cold coffee in a cup. Okay, cold coffee in a cup. I have used k in cold, k in coffee and k in cup. Okay, understood? The next word, dogs, which is the sound at the beginning, d. Okay, the sound is d. So I have made a sentence, dirty dogs dig the mud. Okay, so I have used the sound d in dirty, dogs, d in dogs and d in dig. Okay, understood? The last one is 8. So which is the sound over here? A. Which is the sound? A. Okay. So the sentence which I made is 8 elephants eat 8 bananas. Okay. So I have used the sound A in 8, A in elephants, A eat, A 8 bananas. Okay. Understood? Okay. Now the next question here, write the words starting with letters given in the circle. Okay. Now here in the earlier exercise जो आपको 2 minutes में 5 words लिखने थे उसमें क्या था वो जो भी letter आप select करेंगे वो कहीं भी आ सकता है. It may come in between, it may come at the end also. So that is not a problem. But here you have to make words which begin with the given letter. Starting यही letter से होना चाहिए. For example, one I will do, A वाला मैं करके दिखाऊंगी, G वाला you have to do it yourself. Okay. So A, my words are apple, ant, axe and aeroplane. Okay, same way for G, you can think of any words and write it down in your English textbook itself. Okay. Now frame meaningful words using the given letters. Now here if you see there are so many letters and you can make so many words using these letters. है ना, आप बहुत सारे words बना सकते हो ये letters use करके. जैसे NOT not है, COT cot है, DOG dog है, LOT lot, then ROT rot, okay, then EY ई आई, बट यहाँ पे ई एक ही बार है, सो यू कैन नॉट यूज ई 2 टाइम्स इन दैट वर्ड. अगर यहाँ पे 2 बार ई दिया होता, इफ द ई लेटर ई वुड हैव बीन गिवन ट्वाइस, 2 बार दिया होता तो यू कुड हैव रिटन ई वाई ई आई. Okay, so whatever is given one time you have to use it only one time, you cannot duplicate it. यानी कि 2 बार एक लेटर एक बार दिया हुआ है तो उसको आप 2 बार यूज नहीं कर सकते हो. Okay, understood? Suppose egg, E double G egg, can I write E double G egg? No. Why? Because G over here is given only one time. G एक ही बार दिया है, 2 बार नहीं दिया है. Okay, so I cannot use G 2 times. Okay, so egg I cannot make using these letters. Okay, let me show you again. NOT not. Okay, Then I'll put a comma here. The next word is L-O-G, log. Okay, so that's all. I have shown you how to do this exercise. This is to improve your vocabulary, give your brain a lot of exercise so that you become more smart and complete your work on time. Okay, so that when the school begins again, when you come back to the school, आपको ये सारा स्कूल में फटाफट फटाफट लिखना पड़ेगा, है ना? तो आप अभी भी प्रैक्टिस करो लिखने का. Don't waste your time and just see to it that every day you write, read and solve your maths sum. Okay, so you all are very smart. Don't be lazy. Sit upright, sit straight and do your work regularly. Okay, chalo then, complete your work. I'll see you next time. Bye.